Hi friends! I'm so happy to see you on my channel. Today we're making incredibly delicious and healthy cornmeal buns. I'm sure they will become your new favorites. Let's start with the dill. We need to chop it as finely as possible. This recipe is a real lifesaver for moms. My younger son is still convinced he hates dill, yet he devours these buns with joy. Do you have any secret dishes to sneak some extra greens into your kids' meals? Now for the dough. We'll need 100 grams of butter. That's 1 standard American stick. Add 2 eggs, keeping 1 yolk aside. Then half a cup of oil and half a cup of Greek yogurt. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar for balance. Next is our secret ingredient, cornmeal. 2 cups of cornmeal and about 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, plus 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I add the white flour gradually. It's important to feel the texture with your hands. Now, let's mix in all that fresh chopped dill. I love this recipe so much. It saves me whenever I crave something homemade but don't have time for yeast dough to rise. It's the perfect balance of health and comfort, and it fills the house with such a warm, inviting feeling. Take a look at this consistency. This is exactly how the dough should look. It's soft, elastic, and doesn't stick to your hands. Working with it is pure pleasure. It feels like a little moment of relaxation in the middle of a busy day. Let's let it rest while we prep the filling. For the filling, use any soft cheese, feta, goat cheese, or ricotta. To shape our buns, pinch off a piece of dough, flatten it, and tuck the cheese inside. Carefully pinch the edges shut so the filling stays inside during baking. Now, the final touch before baking. Gently brush each bun with the egg yolk we saved earlier. It's this simple step that gives them that rich, professional look. And let's sprinkle them with some sesame seeds. Now, they are ready for the oven. 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit until they are perfectly golden brown. Oh, look at that golden crust. This aroma is just incredible. I wish I could share this scent with you through the screen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe. Just look at this. See how tender the cornmeal dough is. And look at all that juicy, melted cheese inside. That crispy crust on top is just the perfect finish. I really hope you try making these for your loved ones. Enjoy!